Now I'm going to share a couple of photo where we actually install for our client. This is a construction vehicle actually. So that's the metal casing, and you can see this metal casing, we have a padlock like that. So in all our metal casing we have something like that. This is to protect theft, to prevent people from stealing it. And inside this device for this vehicle it only requires two, so therefore there's only two product. So this is the location where we insert it. So if you can see, there's a bracket that we designed uniquely for this vehicle. Then the casing will sit on top of the bracket. So this is for our client at this is a construction vehicle, actually it's a shovel. Now I will share with you another client we have. This is on their truck. So this truck has quite a heavy fuel consumption, so therefore it needed four unit of the product. So this is actually the chassis of the truck. So we have to inspect each of the truck, because each of the truck have different design, therefore you have different spot that we can put it on. So for this truck we decide that the best spot for us to put it on is at the chassis there. So we also have a bracket uniquely designed for this one. This is the way we install it. So we actually screw it onto the chassis. So you can see this big tube here is actually the hose and the wiring running along the chassis towards the fuse box, and also the engine where we will tap in the power from the key switch, and also the injection point of the hydrogen and the vacuum sensor. Here is another client we did. This is on a bus. So this is on the way back of the bus. This is the final example that I wanted to share. This is with one of our client on their genset. So this is the way we install it. We also customize bracket. This is actually a customized small table stool for us to put the box. So that's the two casing, and then the wiring run along the existing wiring, or along the this is the genset, along the genset tables. So this example, after we install, we always will turn it on to check whether each of the product is okay. We will check for the LED light. If we see LED light, means it's working fine. Then we also do the bubble test each time we do it. So that's about it. That's all the example that I wanted to share we have with our current client. Currently we have installed on trucks, on buses, on gensets. In summary, this product can benefit the trucks or genset, the engine, in two ways. One of them is that we can help to reduce the CO2 emission, can help you to reduce your operational costs as well through fuel savings. So there are two main benefits with this one. First one is CO2 reduction. Second is your reduction in your operational costs. If you want to find out more about this, you can head to our website. I'll put the link in the description. And there is a section in our website where you can find out how much you can save and how much CO2 you can reduce with a specific truck you have. It only needs a few very simple data. It's in the website. You can go and check it out, and you input the data inside. It will show you at the end. It will show you how much you can save per year, and how much fuel costs you can save per year, and how much CO2 emission you can reduce per year in ton. I'll include our website in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.